What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And if you're new here, which I know 65, almost 70% of you are new here, well then please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Helps me out a lot, and you'll stay up to date on content with the stock market, investing, and other technology news. Today we have a pretty important update, pretty exciting update with Lucid Motors, stock ticker symbol CCIV. They're set to merge this year. Big merger, we've heard a lot about it, but this news that came out the other day, they had a new video which was released about some of the features in the car, and Lucid Motors, they've officially revealed their entertainment system and sound system and their partnership with Dolby Atmos. So right now, what Lucid Motors announced on their Twitter page is they said the world's first. Today at SXSW, we unveiled the integration of Dolby Atmos as part of Lucid Air's new 21 speaker Surreal Sound system. And they said more on the Lucid X Dolby experience. It was about a 4-minute video explaining how the sound works, how it's going to be integrated, and the different features and aspects of this entertainment system and sound system, which is going to be in the car. So a couple of things that I really like about this system is that, first of all, according to Tim Pryde, Dolby's director of music, he said it's very obvious that Lucid was trying to do something different, trying to do something that was unique to the automotive experience. And what's important about this is that Lucid Motors is the first vehicle to have this sound system integrated into it. It's the first time Dolby has done this. So right now, some of the cool features about this partnership and with this new sound system is that right now with Dolby, essentially they can have the speakers play louder on one side of the car versus the other side of the car, which is in a lot of vehicles already, a lot of luxury vehicles. But in addition to that, it could play sound more on the higher, like up higher in the upper portion, like the higher portion of the vehicle versus lower down, which I haven't seen a lot recently. It's like the spatial sound system. So you could play sound more to the left, right, up, or down. So I haven't seen the up or down portion. But what I find really cool about the system is that Lucid is also using its Atmos setup for indicators and alert sounds. For example, if a passenger in the rear seat isn't wearing a seatbelt, well, then the seatbelt chime will target that passenger's corner of the car specifically. So if you're sitting in the back left, then that person will hear a sound if they're not buckled their seatbelt. So that's pretty cool, having that spatial sound system also for alerts, indicators, and notifications essentially with driving the car. So I find that to be the coolest feature of it, in my opinion. 21 speakers, that's a lot of speakers. Obviously, a car, it's going to have great surround sound system, speakers. It's going to be great quality, great sounding, but I really like the notification aspect, the seatbelt chimes, all of that. I think that's really, really cool how they're going to be targeting specific seat. Whatever seat you're in, and that's where the sound's going to be playing. I find that really interesting. But in addition to this, Lucid Motors also came out. They had the interview with their CEO, Pete Rawlinson, and Jim Cramer on CNBC. And Lucid Motors said that their luxury EV models, basically all of them, are almost fully reserved. And Lucid Motors said in an email that recently that the Lucid Air Dream Edition is almost fully reserved. That's exactly what he said on TV in the interview. And right now, Lucid Air Dream Edition is requiring a $7,500 down payment on the $169,500 EV. In addition to this, the electric vehicle startup, Lucid Air Dream Edition, has a maximum horsepower of over 1,000 horsepower, can go 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, and hit a quarter mile in under 10 seconds. So it's going to be a very innovative car. It's pretty expensive, and they're expected to get this out in the second half of this year, beginning of the fourth quarter is when we can expect to see those. But good news is for investors is they said they've almost fully reserved all the cars they're going to be taking right now. So pretty good seeing all this demand already for their vehicles. It's been really hyped up the company, and it's nice to see that people are pre-ordering them and they're putting down significant down payments. These are essentially It's not like, oh, you're just signing a piece of paper saying I want to buy one. No, they're putting money up front, $7,500, a pretty significant amount. But anyways, we'll expect to get these vehicles fourth quarter 2021. Sound system is really cool. They officially unveiled that. I'll put a link to the full video from Lucid Motors in the description if you want to check that out. But that's what's going on with Lucid Motors. Currently, the stock price is sitting right around that. It's sitting right around, I believe, $30 a share, $29 to $30 a share. Has a lot of upside after the recent drop-off it has had. If you think they're going to be a major competitor to Tesla, this is definitely a stock where it's a high-risk, high-reward investment, but I think there's still a lot of upside long-term. So hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please be sure to like the video down below. Helps me out a lot. Don't forget, you can get 4 free stocks when you download the Webull Investing app. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.